How to redeem stars on Starbucks app. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you the process and how you'll be able to gain stars so that you'll be able to redeem your rewards here with Starbucks app. Simply go to your profile on the upper left corner of the screen and go to Starbucks rewards. And here this is the rewards program of Starbucks, wherein first that you need to do is create an account, wherein you can simply download the application on your mobile devices, and then you just need to order and pay how you'd like. And then from there, you will earn your rewards and by collecting stars. So the process here on how you collect stars is that you will earn 1 star for every 25 pesos worth of using or paying using your Starbucks card or your mobile app. 1 star for 40 pesos if you'll be using GrabFood or Lazada, and 1 star for 50 pesos using payment methods like cash or credit or debit card. So those are the process that you need to keep in mind. So it's best that you will get or use the Starbucks app in making your payments if you want to purchase products in Starbucks, so that you will get more stars, since it only has, or it 1 star is equal to 25 pesos, which means the more orders you have, the more stars you will get. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.